As if. Just as the video is starting, it's probably a good time to explain there's quite a few pieces in this video. It's a big build. I counted 197 pieces that I had to manufacture to get this cabinet made. That's not including nuts and bolts and screws and bought hardware. So there's a lot in it. So apologies for a long video. A lot of fast forward, a lot of motion. It's a big job. Anyway, I hope you enjoy it. Just like so. Here's the thing, in Townsville, where I come from, you cannot buy unpainted steel, mild steel. You can get galvanized steel, but I don't want galvanized steel, so you have to. It comes with that that blue paint on it, and it's not very good. So I spent an age trying to remove that, just using paint strip. I've tried abrasives. Paint strip is the best way to get it off. An immersion bath would be even better, but I don't have one of those. Thickness of a sheet of plywood. that was the fun part. That was all the steel work that's done now. I've got to paint it all up and get into the woodwork. Put the panels on, make up the drawers, put the top on. Okay, so here's just some drawings for this is the cutouts for the drawer bases and also the drawer sides. I'm going to use the CNC to cut out the drawer sides. Vectric VCarve Pro has got a box creator. It just seems to do one box at a time, and it also cuts out the fingers for the bottom of the box, and I don't want that, so I've manually drawn up all these in the program, and I'm doing this for the first time, so it's a good learning experience for me. And and it's also, once I've got this set up, it's done once, I can do it multiple times just by using the same drawings. Just want to show also that the plywood is far from flat. It's terrible. It rocks and rolls. So it's going to be difficult. When I'm using the CNC, I really have to make sure this is clamped down well. Here's some of my thinking of my drawer layout to get the measurements. All the drawers are in now, so and they'll fit nice. I've just got to do a few little adjustments to get the drawers level with each other, just a couple of millimeters, and then I'll put the fronts on. So there it is, it's all nice and shiny and new. I'm pretty happy with it. Now I just need to clear a space out in my shed, do a bit of relocating of some bits and pieces in there, and organise my tools and get it all sorted. I'd like to have a nice, clean, organised cabinet to use. That might be even another video. But anyway, thanks everyone for watching the video, and love to hear you in the comments. I'll read all the comments, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.
Bugger!